Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the AIB app not working. First, check your internet connection and make sure that it is stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the problem is related to your network. Next, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for AIB, then swipe it away, closing it completely. Wait for a few hours and reopen it. Temporary glitches can sometimes stop the app from working properly. You also head over to your app store, search for AIB. You should also check if the app needs an update. Open the app store on your phone and update the AIB mobile app to the latest version. Another helpful step is restarting your phone. Restarting clears temporary system problems that may affect the app. Then, if the issue continues, uninstall and reinstall the app again from the App Store. That's how you fix the AIB mobile app not working. Do not forget to subscribe for more simple and helpful guides.